Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. 𝗻𝗵𝗿𝗀 natural gas price still affected by the negative pressures represented by holding below the bearish channel resistance at $2.25 level. In addition, break in its nearby support at $2 level, expected downside target till $1.67 and $1.30 level indicate short-term trend is bearish. MCX natural gas price has started forming lower high lower low formation signal along with break below 170 level, which act as a key support on downside, will drag the price further down till 159 and 150 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at 181 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.